back with another one. It's Kings, and today we got some big upgrades for Stella. As you see, I'm sitting in the car right now with a bunch of tools, and that back there is a little sneak peek of what's going on today. But going to Jersey to my grandfather's house because, you know, as you've seen, that's where I did the SRT kit. Gonna go there, and we're gonna be doing an SRT diff today with the 306 gears to get reg, and we're gonna be doing long tube headers. So stay tuned, and if we all get it done today, I might be going to the track tomorrow so we can see what improvements we got. So catch y'all when I get there. All right, guys. So right now we're got the whole car jacked up in the rear. Grandfather is working on doing the diff. So right now he's got the axle nuts loose. He said they're a little frozen, so of course. I'm working on the headers, so we're gonna get an alternator out right now because we need some room. And then, so for the front, for the headers, you gotta get the alternator out, the dipstick out, move the reservoir out of the way, cold air intake or whatever intake you have out. See, as you can see, I can really get to those bolts now back there on this side. So we'll catch up with you in a few. Update. Got the stock header, the manifolds out. Yeah, and so let's go in here. So we got it was the driver's side, we got those out. It's the passenger side. Passenger side will be a bitch. Just gotta have a lot of extensions, swivels. The 4 studs on the outside are gonna be 13, the rest are gonna be 10. So make sure you have those sizes. Pull the exhaust out. And we're working on the diff here. So we got the air hammer now. We got the drive shaft off. He's working on bolting the diff, so we have room to take the axles out. So we'll update you guys in a little bit. Alright, so the headers are in. The headers are in. Just gotta finish up tightening these bolts. 2 bolts up here are pain in the fucking ass. And then we'll be good with the long tubes. And the diff's out, but the axles are frozen in, so I don't know what we're doing with that yet. They're not coming out. But the diff's out. So we'll update you guys when something happens. Either we get the fucking axles out finally, or we get all the long tubes bolted up, the exhaust, the mid pipes and all that shit. So catch you in a few. So right now headers are in. Mid pipes are in, not tightened up yet though. Mid pipes are in, not tightened up yet though, because gotta put the exhaust on and get everything where I want it. Diff's out, we got 1 axle out. Got a new axle here. Working on getting the other one out right now. Gotta grind those off. A lot of shit going on. But we getting it, we doing it. Everything's coming together. Got some mid pipes here too, my old catless mid pipes. So if anyone wants them, let me know. Probably gonna throw them up for like 120 bucks maybe. So, but yeah, about get everything buttoned up front because we're done under the hood. Just gotta do the diff now. Diff's down there. Yes sir. So we finally got the axles out, and there's a little bit of a comparison. So this is the factory RT one, and this is the factory SRT one. So as you can see, this one's significantly bigger. And it's shorter, looks like.
This is sticking this way more. There you go.
Yeah, but now this side.
I think this might be shorter.
Rear may be bigger.
Well, that's what I'm saying, yeah.
Rear is probably bigger.
But as you can see, this is a way thicker axle than this. It's probably because of the torque of the limited slip, but go get the diff. And the new diffs in here. So pull this out and start hooking shit up. See. So we finally got it back together. Got the old axles out, new ones in. So these are, and everything's back together. So as you can see, new diffs in to get rag. Got the axles. So a lot of people say you need everything, the hubs and all that, but you really don't. These are factory RT hubs with the factory RT coupler. All you need for this swap is the 392, the SRT axles, the SRT diff, and the longer bolt for the pinion. That bolt right there, that longer bolt for the pinion, and that's really all you need for the swap. So, oh, and a tuner to tune your gears. So, but yeah, everything's back together, everything's in. Gotta go do the exhaust now, hook it back up to the long tubes with the mid pipes, do all that, and then we gotta tune the car, go to the gearing and do all that, and start it up. So yeah, so we just finished. Exhaust is a little fucked up, but we're gonna go to the shop tomorrow. I might get a full custom exhaust, I don't know yet. But right now we're gonna see if it starts, and we're gonna tune the gears. So I have a Diablo Trinity 2, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So tune the gears, so you go to tuning, car and run, go to tuning, you go to quick adjust, gears, and I have 306 gears, so we're going to click 306, save. So it's until you turn the ignition off. All right, continue, turn it to run, continue. All right, and it says we're good, so we're gonna start it now. First startup. I'm gonna start it.
Huh?
I'm gonna start it.
Okay, off the brake.
I did. WD-40 and shit burning off. I think I might have a little bit of a rattle. I think I might have like a little bit of a rattle.
I don't hear nothing.
Why does it say my coolant temp is -40?
Huh?
It says my coolant temp is -40.
Because it's cold.
I don't even have a gauge right here. That's weird. Like the needle's not even on there. It's like something ain't hooked up.
You didn't touch the coolant sensor by the belt, did you?
I don't think so, no. Should I pop the hood and just see? Alright, we're gonna get back to you guys.
Spinning like gaga, walking the roof smell like Zaza. Why they some imposters? I get money, that's on my roster. Shmuddy, like gaga, boy, you can get pop, pop.